Hey everyone, my name's Ken.
And I am Sean.
And you have found Ken's Creations YouTube channel.
What's so great about it?
Well, they are gonna find amazing content here. Do you like product reviews?
Of course.
Do you like food taste tests?
Especially.
Do you love watching someone sit in the car and talk to a phone?
It's pretty funny.
It is. Well, then they have found the right channel, because on Ken's Creations YouTube channel, we do, of course, product reviews for some of your favorite crafty products. We also try amazing food from all around the globe. Not sure it's really amazing, but, and you will always get a fun-filled Ken from the car every week, which is essentially Ken from the car.
Yes, it is.
No holds bars.
None.
So if you like product reviews, if you like taste tests, if you like funny shenanigans with me, Sean, and even Jasmine, hey, even if you like shopping trips to our local stores, you might want to subscribe to this channel because it is new, brand spanking content, and we are so excited to bring back our live unboxings, live taste tests, edited videos, and content to help you make the right buying choices and fill your day with tons of laughter.
Perfect.
I'm so excited for this channel.
I know.
Hit that subscribe button, and as Sean likes to say, don't forget to turn on
The bell icon.
What does that bell icon do?
Lets you know that we are either live or we just posted a video.
Oh yes, because we always get that comment, I didn't get a notification. And Sean says, did you turn on the bell icon? So it's ingrained into my mind. All right guys, we are so excited for our new relaunch of our channel, and we hope you share this with all of your friends across the globe. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you guys all real soon. Bye everyone.
Bye.